Will Sanyo, smallbusinessloansdepot.com. Today's video, how to get an MCA Cash Advance, what could be your first merchant cash advance. Start the process anytime by tapping apply on the bottom right of this screen or tapping on the end screen of this video or on the apply button on the web page. See if your business can afford a daily, weekly, or monthly payment. First, calculate an estimate of what your new daily cash advance payment will be. Let's take an example. Multiply a $10,000 offer amount times a 1.4 rate factor. There are 21 payment days most months. If your offer amount is for 7 months, that's 21 times 7 equals 147 payment days. Take the $14,000 total repay and divide it by 147. That equals $95.23 per payment day for every $10,000. Look at the total deposits of each of your last 3 months' business checking account statements. Some states require 4 months' business checking account statements, currently California, New York, Florida, Virginia, and Utah. The minimum total deposits into your business checking account should be $5,000 a month or more. The higher the deposits, the more options are available, especially beginning at $10,000 a month. Average daily balance, that is the average balance per day for the month. You want your average daily balance to be at least $750, but better $1,000 or higher. Overdrafts or NSFs, you should not have more than 5 to 7 overdrafts or NSFs in any one month, or it is more likely you will be declined. If you have more, it is better to wait until you get your next statement and those are gone. Find a lender that fits your business type and talk to a representative before applying that will help your business avoid unnecessary declines. Next, apply. If approved, request the closing docs. Get a copy of your driver's license, voided business check, and proof of ownership. Next, close. Review the contracts, and if you're satisfied, complete the contracts and expect funding into your account in 2 to 4 hours. If you ever have repayment problems, call the lender to discuss. That'll help your business keep its ability to borrow again in the future.